Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates in my channel for every sector, government sector, private sector, engineering sector as well as PSU jobs. So today's job notification has came from Cognizant and they are hiring for freshers and the position name is programmer analyst trainee. So like every year they are hiring for this freshers recruitment and the position name is programmer analyst and salary is quite good. So we will discuss in detail in this video that what is the application procedure, what is the eligibility criteria, and how the exam will be take place. So all those things I will discuss in this video. So don't skip this video, and if you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start this video. So you can see that the profile name or the job profile name is programmer analyst trainee, and the degree needed is BE, BTech and BSc. Freshers can apply for this job, and work location may be Kolkata or Bangalore. So for these two positions, Kolkata and Bangalore, this drive is going on. Okay, so qualification needed is science or engineering graduate, because BSc batch those are eligible from computer science, IT, any electronics batch, those are eligible, and engineering graduate there is no specification. All batch of engineering degree BE, BTech can apply for this job. Okay, so your responsibility will be requirement analysis, understanding of functional aspects of client requirement, and you need to raise clarification issues, adherence to schedule timelines, maintain effective working relationship. So these will be your responsibility. Okay, so the documentation, assisting in creating documentation about client specific application, you need to do that thing. You need to participate in call and status reporting. So understanding of details, the quality process practice followed in the project from different source, this will be a training to you. So you will get a training, and you have to attend any knowledge transition session conducted within the project to gain proficiency in project level knowledge. So there is some client environment and client specific process and tools like Quality Center, Jira. There, those are the own applications of Cognizant. So you will able to learn those things from there, and you can see there are two different apply link is given for different location. One is for Bangalore, another one is for Kolkata position. I will show you how to apply on this both the link. So at first I am showing for the Bangalore location. Okay, so after clicking on the apply link of Bangalore, it will be redirected to the official website of Cognizant career website, and from there we need to apply for this job. Okay, so one more thing I want to say, in Cognizant basically 3 rounds will be happen. First one is the online round, which is for logical reasoning, aptitude and English comprehension, all this round. And also in that round you have to face the Cognizant automata fixed test also. So, and also for the next round, if you were selected from there, then there will be one technical round, then after that HR round or selection round. Okay, so we will check the application form here. Okay, so you can once again go through the position or the details they have mentioned from their website. So you have must skills in workflow and ABAP web services, core ABAP job it will be. So it is also a full-time employee job. Okay, so for the programmer analyst trainee position, you can see the job ID is given 003897947113. It is for the position of Bangalore. You need to click on apply now. Then after clicking on apply now, one registration form will be open to you. So the same thing will be done for Kolkata location also. So I will once again show you that what will be the application process. Okay, so you can check it from there also. So you can see this is the application main page. Okay, so you are applying for the programmer analyst trainee position. You need to proceed with the candidate privacy policy by clicking on proceed. So at first you need to upload your resume Then your first name, last name, email address, and your previous employed by Cognizant or not, this query, or rather this question. So if yes, then you have to give that employee ID also. If you have experience, then you need to give your total experience, your skills. Then you have to click on next. So after clicking on next, you will need to fill the educational details, and then you will be able to apply for this job. Okay, so the same thing will happen for the Kolkata position link also. So I will click on now the Kolkata application link. Okay, so it will again redirected to the official website of the Cognizant. Then from there you can see it is heading for West Bengal. Then you need to click on apply now for the programmer trainee position. Okay, so in this form I will show you how to fill your form. So by clicking on proceed, you need to upload your file. Okay, so then you need to fill up your name, then your last name, your email address, then your contact number. Okay, so then I'm not previous employed by Cognizant, so I will click no. Then I need not to fill this thing also. So I have no experience, I want to apply as a freshers. Then I'm clicking on 0 as experience. Then the skill sets I'm mentioning like Java, C, Python, all those things. Okay, like if you have those skill sets, then you also need to mention your skill sets here. Okay, so one thing, I just need to upload one CV. So after clicking on upload a file, one pop-up will be coming up. Okay, so after clicking on open, so it will be uploaded. Okay, you can see it is taking time for uploading. Okay, yeah, so it is giving that success, we have added your resume to your application. You need to click on OK. Okay, then those fields will be automatically filled according to your CV. Okay, then by clicking on next, you just need to specify a particular number. So by clicking on next, it will be redirected to the next page. Okay, so this is the page of review and submit. Okay, this is the step 2. So you just go through your application once again, and you have to give your full signature here. So then also you need to click on your acknowledging all of their updates also. Then you need to click on submit. Okay, so after clicking on submit, a mail will be sent to your mail ID that it has been completed or not. So that's the thing. This is the notification, this is the application procedure. So I have already mentioned that after being selected of your CV, the steps will be: first is online examination, next will be technical round, then HR round, then selection round. Okay, so this is the process, and you have to prepare for aptitude, logical reasoning, and you have to practice your English comprehension, as well as you need to practice Cognizant automata test, because it is the main thing in this online examination of selection. Okay, So I can suggest you that you can prepare from AMCAT sample papers, AMCAT previous papers, previous Cognizant AMCAT solved papers. You can study those, and also you need to focus main portion of aptitude as well as logical reasoning as well as English comprehension. So this is the whole thing we have discussed in detail. So if you really like this video, then keep a like button for this video, and please subscribe my channel. And if you subscribe my channel, then you will get lots of information from my channel. Thank you friends. We will meet in next video. Take care guys.